Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to cover how to deploy WordPress with the custom themes and installing plugins for developers in WordPress with the CloudWays Hosting. So in this session, we are going to cover these topics. So how to launch a new server in CloudWays, install WordPress in a CloudWays server, and in how to install custom themes in WordPress and the plugins which are needed for your WordPress site. If you are launching your blogs or your site or your business site, if you want to take your business online, uh, then you can use a WordPress and which plugins we have to use in WordPress for developers and for every site should have these plugins. Those we are going to cover. So let's start. So first, let's launch a new server in CloudWays. So here I have already logged into CloudWays in my CloudWays account. So you can also create if you don't have any CloudWays account, you can go to CloudWays and you can sign up in a CloudWays account. Right now, the CloudWays is offering 40% off for month with 40 migration services. Also, they are offering 3 days free trial with no credit card and no payments. So you can try for 3 days. So CloudWays has very great features and it's a very popular WordPress hosting, and other also you can launch any website or you can take a if you want to take your business online, and then you can use CloudWays cloud hosting. Okay. So here I have already logged into my CloudWays cloud hosting account, and here you can go here left side. Here now I don't have any servers, apps, and any autonomous apps. So let's launch a new server. Here you can click on add server, then select application. So here CloudWays provides inbuilt applications like WordPress, WooCommerce, PHP, Laravel, Magento with Elasticsearch, or you can launch a multi-site with WordPress. And also CloudWays cloud hosting provides dev staging environment. So before going to live, you can also test your site and locally. So here I'm going to select here WordPress. Current version is 6.2.2, and here you have to give your application name. So here I'm giving my application name. Our site name is DevOps Sheet. Then server name. So here I'm going to test this site for dev environment. So that's why I'm giving dev server. And here I have selected a project one which I have already created. So CloudWays provides number of cloud hosting cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Volta, Linode, Amazon, Google Cloud. So here with CloudWays, you have a choice where in which public cloud you want to launch your business or your site or your WordPress site. So here number of cloud providers are here. Currently, we have 5 cloud providers. Then you can select the server size, whether you want, if you click on any, here it will show 4 GB RAM, 8 GB hard disk, 4 TB transfer, 2 core processor. So here this is for my dev environment, I'm going to select a basic one with a 2 GB RAM, 50 GB NVM disk, 2 TB transfer. And I'm going to select this option default one. Then here you can launch in different locations like in New York, Bangalore, Frankfurt, London, Sydney. Recently they added this Sydney location, Toronto. So here you can select a location. So here I'm going to select New York location for my WordPress site, and it is showing a pay as you. There is no contract, monthly contract, yearly contract, no. So here like pay as you go model, CloudWays offers pay as you go. Whatever you use, they will charge like hourly, monthly. So total charge is this hourly charge, and monthly is $28. So here, then click on launch now. So here you can refer your friend using invite link. Also, you will get a commission amount. So right now, the dev server is in progress. We are launching in DigitalOcean cloud. So here it will take some time, so approx 7 minutes. So let's wait for 7 minutes till the server is launched. Now our server is ready. Here you can click on home. Here showing total server, flexible apps. So here our server is in green status. You can click on server. Here you can find your credential, public IP, username, password. Then you can see monitoring, managed services. In managed services, they are offering many services. Inbuilt services, you can install, reinstall, restart services. Then we have setting and packages. There are many packages are available to install on your server. Then they have very good security features like incident firewall. Then you can scale on the fly without downtime. Then they have backups. Then you can connect your server using SMTP. So these are the feature of server. Let's go to our app. So here you can click on flexible app, click on application. It is showing icon is WordPress. We have installed WordPress app on our server, and in a dev environment in the project namespace, click on this WordPress server. Here you can, in accidental, you can find your application URL. You can use your custom domain name. Then if you want to log into your admin panel, these are admin panel URL, username, password. There are also left side many features like staging management, monitoring, then application security, domain management. As I said, you can, this is given by CloudWays. You can hide your domain and you can hide your, if you are purchased a domain name, you can GoDaddy or other domain name provider. You can hide domain with a record, CNAME or any other record, and you can point your custom domain. You can do cron job management, you can install SS certificate. There are also backup store, deployment via Git, application setting, migrations tool. You can use a Cloudflare as a fastest CDN. Okay, so these are many features are available with CloudWays cloud hosting. So let's go to our next is how to install custom WordPress theme. So let's log into WordPress, login with the admin credential. So here is the admin panel URL. Let's click on this. It is open admin credential WordPress. Here is my username. Let's paste username. Then copy the password. Then paste it here and click on login in. Here is our WordPress admin. Okay. And this is our site URL. If you see, click on site URL. Here is a blog description hello world. You can customize it. You can write post pages, everything. Okay. So here, let's go to admin panel. Here you can see your admin dashboard of WordPress. Here it is WordPress is showing post, media, pages, comment, appearance. Okay. And if you want to change a theme, a WordPress theme, so go to appearance menu, click on themes. Here it is a default. Default theme is a 2025. This is theme name which is active, and you can customize this theme. And this is 2024 and 2023. These are the default themes. If you want to install a custom WordPress theme in your WordPress site, then for example, here is my site. Here is our site devopsin.com. This site, our site is developed in WordPress. We are using WordPress for our site. So this is our WordPress blog. Yeah, you can see this my site is launching WordPress. So you can build a very beautiful site or for your business or blog or place for many purposes you can use WordPress. So this is a beautiful site designed by design in WordPress. Okay, and we are using generated press WordPress theme. So theme name is generate press. So this is my theme name for my WordPress site. If you want to use this theme, custom theme for your WordPress site, then click on here. Option is top, add new theme. And here are many themes. There are hundreds, thousands of themes WordPress. So if you want to use particular theme, so here is the option search theme and type here your theme name. I'm typing WordPress. So here this is theme. If you want to use this theme for your site, then click on install. So previous theme, if you want to previous theme will deactivate. There theme will be there, but it will not show active. So click on here, install. And here next option is click on activate. Okay, now it is showing the primary theme of this my WordPress site is generated price. And this we can customize our theme. This existing one 2025 is now it's showing here. If you want to remove this theme, unwanted, don't want to use, you can click on delete this theme, old one, like this one, you can delete. Okay. Now currently our new theme is there. Click on customize and you can customize this theme. Here you can site identity. You can lay out your footer, header, sidebars in WordPress. Then you can change the color, generals. There are many options in WordPress. Depend upon the requirement or how you want to design your site in WordPress. You can customize uh, your theme. Okay, so that's about how we can install a new theme in WordPress on CloudWays hosting server. Okay, CloudWays WordPress site. So next is the plugin which are needed for a general plugin which are needed for developers or general any site. So here, if you want to check a plugin, then you can go to WordPress official site. Plugins in WordPress, there are thousands of plugins. Okay, so generally I will show my sites. So which plugins I am using for my site. So here, this is my live site. You are seeing here. Okay, so which plugins I am using for my site. So here I am using themes generated price, okay, which I have shown you how to install generated price theme. Then plugins, let's go to here option is plugin and click on install plugin. So here normal plugin is like if you want to secure your site from spam protection, this is plugin Xmate plugin. So this is for spamming. The if you want to unwanted spam, it will protect from unwanted spam from your site. Then if you want to use a table of content, so where before any blog you want to use any table of content, then you can use this table of content plugin. So for example, let me show my here any blog. Here you can see table of content. So this is a plugin. Okay. So like this one, you can install this table of content. Then if you want to use any Elementor, then Elementor is like you can build a website using builder. Okay, there are two options in WordPress. You can use builder or custom or core. Then if you want to use any fixed widget, uh, if you want to customize any widget, then you can use this fixed widget plugins. Then this is if you want to use if you are monitoring your site using Google, then you can install Google Analytics for WordPress. Okay, there you can connect your site using Google and you can monitor your pages or sites, how your site is performing, how many visitors. Then you can use Google Analytics. Then if you want to use cache, if you want to load your site fast, then you can use, there are many caches plugins. So here I'm using Lightspeed Cache. This is one opt-in master. This is one more pop-up plugin. Okay, if you want to offering, you are offering any offers for your site, if you want to show pop-up, then you can use this opt-in monster. Then next is a plugin like if you want to do SEO for your blog, okay, or your site, then there are many SEO plugins are there like Yoast. This I'm using Rank and SEO. Then if you want to use any social like let me show in my blog. So here it is showing social icons. So if you want to use social icon for your in your WordPress, then you can use this social snap light. If you want to compress your images on your site, then you can use this TNE PNG plugin. Then if you want to improve your speed, then you can use WP Meter. Then there I'm using also WP Table Builder also, where you can drag and drop your responsive table builder for your WordPress site. Then if you want to your YouTube videos, then you can use YouTube plugins where you can you show your YouTube videos in gallery, live stream, like one. So these are the general plugins for my site using. So here you can categorize your site plugins like speeding up your site. There are plugins. Security, secure your site. There are some plugins for securing website. If you want to do SEO for your site, then there are some SEO site. If you want to monitor your site using Google, then you can use a Google Analytics plugin. If you want to compress your images, then you can use compress image plugins like TinyPNG. If you want to use social icons your site, then there is a social snap light. There are also other plugins you can use. Then if you want to add your videos in gallery, YouTube videos in gallery like YouTube WordPress plugin. So these are the you can categorize how uh, uh, how you use your site and which are the basic. So my here I am also using basic plugins for my WordPress site for securing website, speeding up my WordPress website, compressing images, showing the social icons, okay, and yes, and doing the SEO for my site. So these are the some category of plugins, category of my plugins, and according to category you can install plugins for your WordPress site. Okay, I will share you WordPress plugins link where you can find all plugins for your site. Okay, and which I am using. Okay, so that's about for this task. So here we have covered uh, how to launch a new server in a CloudWays, how to install a WordPress in a CloudWays cloud hosting, and how to log in your WordPress site, how to install a custom WordPress theme, and the plugins which are needed for WordPress developer or any general WordPress site. So thank you.